Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write a police complaint letter. This letter is essential when formally reporting an incident to the authorities and requesting necessary action. You need to include your full name, address, city, postal code, contact number, email address, and the date at the top of your complaint letter. Address the letter to the station house officer, SHO, of the relevant police station, mentioning the station's name and address. Ensure the subject line clearly states the nature of your complaint in a concise manner. Begin the letter with a respectful salutation, such as "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to formally lodge a complaint regarding," describe the issue, e.g., theft, harassment, fraud, that occurred on, date, at, location. The incident involved, briefly explain what happened, causing me significant distress and inconvenience. I request your immediate attention to investigate the matter and take appropriate action against the responsible individuals. I have attached relevant evidence, including mention any supporting documents, such as CCTV footage, photographs, or witness statements. Kindly acknowledge receipt of this complaint and update me on any progress in the investigation. I appreciate your prompt assistance in ensuring justice is served. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample police complaint letter. You'll notice how it clearly states the details of the incident, including the date, time, and location, along with a concise description of what happened. The letter also emphasizes the impact of the incident and requests appropriate action from the authorities. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and effective complaint that ensures your concerns are properly addressed. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more letter writing tips.